Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to unbox Ellis by Estetica in the color Caramel Kiss. About a year ago, I think it was, my daughter sent me a couple of wigs. Ellis is one of them. I opened the box, I looked at the color, and I put it back in the box. I have not taken it out. I have not worn it. I have not done anything to this wig. I can't believe it. I have not worn it. I have not reviewed it. It's just like one of those things. You know what I think it was? That we had so many new launches throughout the year that that's all I was really doing. And then I was in Kansas for 6 months, and Ellis stayed here in Florida. So now I'm back in Florida, and now I'm going to take a look at Ellis. We'll check it out together. Actually, she purchased it from a friend whose mother had bought a bunch of wigs. My daughter's out in Washington State. Her friend's mom had purchased a lot of wigs. She didn't like the colors or didn't like the styles or something. And my daughter's friend said, "You want to send these to your mom?" However, Ellis is available at Wig Studio One. I will certainly leave it linked down for you down below, and it's available in many colors. This color is Caramel Kiss, and my daughter knows this is one of my favorite Estetica colors in the brunettes. Caramel Kiss is a warm color. We have a golden brown base, and then we have some copper blonde highlights. Really pretty, very chunky. If you don't like chunky highlights, you may not like Caramel Kiss. I personally like these light blonde copper highlights. I like the chunky. Caramel Kiss is also available with a dark root. I really don't see that much of a difference between the two. This one is not the rooted one. I have a video from way back when where I compared the Caramel Kiss with the Caramel Kiss rooted, and I'll leave it linked for you down below in case you want to see what's the difference between the two. Personally, I don't find much of a difference. All right, let's shake it out. Such a cute style, and I have not taken it out. I think this is going to be one of these easy styles like we have in Ryder or Mellow or Jones. Oh yeah, really cute. This is short, it's blunt, it's choppy, it's right up my alley. We have a little bang here on the front. It's 6.5 inches. I think it's shorter. My face from hairline to chin is 7 3/4. Therefore, these bangs appear to be a little bit shorter. Obviously, if you want to add bangs to Ellis, you can do that. Wear it off the face. I thought this was going to be a face flopper. I really thought that. I was prepared for face flopping. Oh yeah. This is really cute. If you like this choppy, blunt style. Personally, I really like them, but I know that they're not everyone's cup of tea. Really nice fibers. I love Estetica. And their styles seem to be real workhorses. You can wear Estetica every day, and these fibers just hold up beautifully. I have Mellow that is close to 2 years old, and I have worn the heck out of Mellow. I have traveled wearing Mellow. Actually, I think 2 years ago when I think it was 2 years ago when I was in Washington visiting my daughter, I wore Mellow on the flight, and I only took 2 wigs with me. I took Mellow and I took Kristen by John Renault. So, and that whole time that I was there, the one that I wore was Mellow. It was easy to wear. On Ellis, we have a left part and we have a lace front. I don't see a lot of light fibers in the front, and I want to point that out. We have a little bit of the copper blonde highlights. We do have a little bit, But we do have a dark base here, so we will see some knotting, a little bit more of the coppery blonde highlights. We have minimal permatease on Ellis, and the density is definitely light density. We don't have a high density here, but we do have a style that not everyone may like because it's so choppy and textured. The sides on Ellis are 6.5, but we do have layers here, and I don't have the measurements to the layers, but we do have some layers there. We have a crown of 10 inches and we have a nape of 3.5. I'll show you Ellis on all sides. If you're not familiar with Estetica, Estetica runs on the larger side of average. I have a 21 3/4 inch circumference, so if you have something, if you have a little bit larger circumference, you shouldn't have any problems with Estetica. I have yet to find one that runs small on me, and I have quite a few Esteticas, and they are all very comfortable. I believe, and I have no way of gauging this, but I believe they'll fit a 22, 22 1/4. If you wear Estetica and you have a larger circumference, please leave it down in the comments so the other viewers can also see. Great, great coverage. Here's my hairline, and here is the ear tab. Great coverage. I think that what I'd like to do with Ellis is add some sea salt spray from Estetica. Kind of mess that up a bit. This is not I just left the salon. I think it's really pretty. I'm really sorry that I hadn't taken it out sooner. We could tuck it behind the ear if you want and wear it that way. Add a headband. Can't leave our headbands out. Got to get those headbands in there. Oh, we could even clip it back a little bit. I had another wig. I have to take my puppy to the vet, and I was going to wear Sky, but I think I'm going to wear Ellis. So cute. Oh yeah, this is going to be one of my running around wigs for sure. All right, we'll take a walk outside so you can see Caramel Kiss out in the daylight. I'll show you the cap and then I'll come back. On Ellis, we have a left part and we have a lace front that goes all the way to the ear tabs, and it's just one piece, so we're not going to have that strip dividing the lace front and the left mono part. Minimal, if any, permatease here, almost nothing at all. Ear tabs with stays, an extended open nape, hook adjusters, and a very stretchy cap. I neglected to mention when I was mentioning the specs that Ellis weighs 3.8 ounces. Very light piece, easy to wear, easy, throw and go. Let me know what you think about Ellis. Let me know what you think about Ellis. And let me know if you would wear this choppy, blunt cut. I'd love to hear from you. Thank you, everyone. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.